through is relevant. Happy to have a deeper conversation with both of you in what this really means for you as manufacturers. And with that, I'm going to hand it back to Olivia, and looking forward to working with you in the future. Thank you.
Share the info, spread the data. Use social media to tell friends, family, and coworkers that you are acquiring new knowledge and fresh ideas with today's event. Remember to tag Microsoft Latam to join in the conversation in Twitter. And now, I want to invite Ina Rauseo, Product Manager for Business Applications, who will be having an interesting talk with our customers, Juliano Berenzone from the Heus and Flavio Duarte from Pentare. Welcome and thank you for being here today.
Thanks, Olivia. Thank you and welcome, everybody. Thank you for joining in this session. Today, I'm here with Flavio from Pentare and Juliano from the Heus. But before we start talking and having this good conversation, let's know a little bit more about who are the Heus in the Brazilian industry. Wow, wonderful information and a good video about who is the Heus in Brazil. So again, Flavio and Juliano, so glad that you are here and that we can have this conversation. So tell us a little bit more about the solutions, about the challenge that you in the company has been facing in the last couple of months or years.
Well, the Heus is a familiar Dutch company with more than 100 years of activities. 9 years ago, we installed the first factory in Rio Claro, São Paulo, here in Brazil. And since then, has demonstrated a big and important agribusiness player in the market. No doubts about the technology has been a great ally in the amazing growing of the Heus. Among such challenges, not only seeing the product and service quality control, the Heus also look at solutions to aggregate value in the support areas and the experience of users, including our partners, for sure, and our customer. It's very, very important for us. For that, the Heus has been investing constantly in our the technological environment or ecosystem, connecting our system to the big player solutions.
Oh, that's good. And how did you manage this challenge? I mean, like, how many people or which part of your organization or outside of your organization you involved, right, to face this challenge and to try to looking for solutions?
So in the last 12 months, we started a digital revolution here in the Heus, engage our team, involving all departments in the plant. And we looked for solutions and partnership in the market. In one of these big transformation, we decided to invest in Dynamics 365 platform, choose Pentare for sure as our partner in this journey, using solutions such as customer engagement. We are talking about the CRM and portals. And from June this year, we implemented the ERP finance and operations, starting a project named Dynamics. It was an intensive work, several meetings, definitions, alignments, and knowledge exchanged. For sure, all or 100% of this project were made by remote sessions, and for sure, all generation a lot of transformation. So, including in this ERP chant, what is the focus on this project. We worked in the improvement of system integrations with our own systems, CRM and others that we have nowadays in the Heus. The idea is reduce and simplify, of course, the process to avoid the rework and, of course, dedicating time and effort to that what really matters. In our case, it's our customer for sure, our quality data and improvement of internal controls.
Sorry, and how has been this connection that you are saying with the presence or the partnership that you did with Pentare, right? We have here Flavio. Hello, Flavio. How was this connection? I mean, like between the teams in your organization in the Heus and then with Pentare.
Hello, Ina. For us as a partner, we are Microsoft partner for more than 10 years. And when we received the RFP, it was a great pleasure for us. We involved our business architect and create a draw solution. We create a proof of concept to the Heus business process. And after that, we did a marathon about 2 weeks of solution presentation. This was very important approach because the Heus team could see, even a small piece, the dynamics working with his process. After close the deal, we create a project team composed from functional and technical consultant. Pentare team work together the Heus, and our focus totally focused in process improvement and promotes to the best experience to the new system.
Oh, that's really good because that's what you were pursuing, Juliano, and your organization. So today, after this, let's say the last couple of months, and then since you started the project, what are the results or the improvement that you are seeing in the organization from your point of view?
Yeah, we are all sure that the challenge generates a lot of benefits. Sometimes hard to see in the short time, but we always think in medium and long term. That's the reason we choose Microsoft solutions and for sure this partner, Pentare. We have no doubts that those system best practice will help to us achieve our current and future goals.
Good. And Flavio, how do you see this evolution, right? While you are still working with the Heus, how are you seeing? What are you seeing as a partner? Like the next steps or the evolution that you are seeing with them?
We have a lot of improvement in the system, but one of the big bets from the Heus digital transformation was the full integration between Dynamics Business Application Platform. We could integrate customer engagement, finance and operation, and Power Platform. And other great improvement that we did was the easy access. The user now could access the system every time in any device and any local. And this was so important for this user. Even in this time of pandemic, was a great solution for us.
and doesn't finish there, because we will continue the improvement work in the second wave here in our organization, thinking about exploring more features about these dynamics applications, like process automation, IoT, omni-channel, and others solutions.
That's really good. Really good. And well, thanks so much. It has been a pleasure to talk, to know a little bit more about the Heus, and to show the rest of the Latin American customers that know about what are your projects, and maybe replicate what you are doing in yours. So thanks so much. I'm going back to you, Olivia, so the mic is all yours.
Congratulations and big thank you to our speakers. We love learning from successful customers. In the following section, Ina will stay with us to talk with Gilberto Rangel from Cuprum and Ruben Treviño from